see this fresh plantain. This fresh plantain, I just got it from one supermarket. Do you know how much is this? The amount I used to buy this plantain here is almost 5,000 CFA. That's how expensive to eat organic food is over here. So guys, please, you people should appreciate Africa. Africa is the best continent. Appreciate Africa. See, because I want to eat organic food. This is 5,000 CFA. 5,000. It's almost 28 dirhams. So if you convert it to CFA, it's 5,000 for this 6 finger. Is 6 finger? Okay, 7 finger. They even try though. They even try because look how fresh and beautiful it is. Let me, now the body they work the money, make I enjoy. It's not easy to eat organic food in this country.